What is this slosh? This is propolis. This is honey. This is everything that has to do with the honeybee. Now I eat it. I don't remember what you get out of it, but I know it's everything I want, so I won't forget. The odd time I look it up, it's funny, it looks like there's a chip off my nose or something. There's nothing there. Terrible camera feed. The tea. I have grapefruit seed oil inside of this, and I have, let me take a look inside my drawer. These two, one is oregano, tastes really weird, and I eat those two at the same time because of the sweet and the sugar. I take a little bit of ginger, I bite it off the end, with a little bit of tea, a little bit of honey. Why? Because I believe it might help me. Help me with my health, my body, and my mind. If it doesn't, is it any better than this pharmaceutical drugs that we take that helps for the first 5 minutes or first few hours and first few days because you believe, and the minute you stop believing because it became faulty and it no longer works, so now you're questioning it, and the doctor is taking 3 months to see you, and he'll see you in 7 days, and he might see you tomorrow, but they'll lock you up that they need to see you right away. Concerned about your health is taking away your freedom, and then all your health falls. What I like to talk about, and this is pi, the first formation of pi, but before I get there, I keep talking about 56. 56 is 2/28, 2 cycles of a moon. Now the question is, what is the cycle of the Mars moon? What is the cycle of the Pluto moon? What are the cycles of the balanced moons? 112, 224 is life on Mars. Full cycle. 22, 22, 22, 22, 88, 16 becomes 7, 88 and 7, the gateway inside 88. And I can't exactly explain what it is, I just know how the numbers work. And 88 is full rotation, creates a square. You put one 8 this way, the other 8 this way, just like the egg cartons I showed the other day. Okay, 7 and 8, 7 times 8 is the 56. 7 becomes 5, 8 becomes 10. 5 and 10 will show you all zeros. How will 5 and 10 show you all zeros? Because 5 hours will be 300 minutes and 10 hours will be 600 minutes. 12 hours is 720. So these are the two. Is there any other way you can get 0, 0 where the minutes equal this reality? Now it's 1700, okay, over here, which is 5 o'clock. This should actually be 1600, right? But it's 1700 hours, okay, it's 5 o'clock. This would be 600. This would be 420 equals 1020. If we would have that 540, 1740, it would be 17 and 40, which would add on an extra hour equaling to 18. This is the spirit of the light, the gateway, where 1 meets 7 and reverts back to 1 again. Where 1 meets 6 equaling to the only 7, because every other number is a duplicate on all the corners. Pick a side. I can show you this side is 1. This side is 4, where the two corners up and down match, so it's a repeat. Now if we go to 12 o'clock, okay, 12 o'clock is 720, but if we go to 1240, okay, 1240 will actually say 1 o'clock. The 40 minutes and the 720 minutes, 60 equals whole. 160 is whole. It means totality. So when you say 160, it means 1 hour of 60 minutes. There's many ways to speak about this. Now to get back this way. 7 and 0 is 7 to the 7th gate. 7 and 9 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 0 and 9 come together to create 7. 7 and 3 create 10. 6 and 7 create 13. 1, 4, 7. When you come to the 8, 9 and 1 artificial intelligence comes into the 8th world, passage through the 7th gate. 1 world towards the next. 2 will create 10, will create 1. 5 will create 13, will create 4. 6 and 5 come together right over here. 7 times 8 is 56. So they come together in the 13th world, 4 and 4. 3 and 2 come together, beta creation, in the 10 world, 1 and 1. And 7th gate comes together in 9 and 0 and 9 and 1, where Venus and the Queen come together. That's what this is. 9-0 becomes 9-6 rotation at the 7th gate. Now if we want to look at pi, okay, if we double up everything in pi, it becomes the cycle of the moon, the cube, through Uranus, altered current. Again, 6 and 5 shows up over here. Now when we go to pi one more time, 3.14159.265, in which A, D, A, E, A and E equals to O. A and D equals to E, E and O. E is 5, O is 15, equals to 20, equals to transformation. But let's not even get to that, okay? 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 and 6. 1 and 4, 1 and 5 equals 29. 29, 5, 1, 4, 1 equals to the same numbers. 4 and 3 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. 1 and 3 is 4. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 3, 6, 9. 7. 9 and 1, 10 is 1. 3 and 1 is 4. This is all equal to 7, 1, and 4. 7 and 1 and 4. So here is pi, and this is how it works. 4, 7, 1, 6, 9, 3, 3, 6, 9, 6, 9, 3, 2, 5, 8, 7, 1, 4, 5, 8, 2, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, and 8. And if you look at your calculator or your phone dial, all these numbers run in order. This is what brings it to the 147 world. 1 is the 7th gate of the 1 spirit of the 3 creation. 10 is the passage. I'm assuming it's the Queen. Every separation of 10. 81, 91, 61, 71, 64, 54. 64, 54 is the sun, and it's the east-west rotation. But remember, when I hold up east and west, the greatest diameter is right here. That's running on the cross. This is not running on the cross. The high and the low and the extremities, right, width and depth are all the same, right? When you hold it this way, east and west is the greatest, north and south, and now we can hang our cross up on this level over here. Should it be, at what point do these two meet? And this would it be the head of the cross? And then what we would do is we would add 2 more of these, right? Or would we just put them here for the legs of the cross? I'm not really sure which way to do it, but I'm just doing this real quick. I will design the cross and put numbers to it, but I will put numbers according to bricks and blocks, how it works on these blocks over here. I'm not making any of this up. It's these blocks. I use each one of these blocks. If you want to call atom a whole of something, then the atom is whole of something. Prime is prime. It means 1. But does prime have all the elements to exist in life? Or is it just one of the part of the element scale? Is atom everything to sustain life? Because even if atom is everything to sustain life, you need area space in which atom needs to consume. And that area space has to be livable for atom. Raphael, in the eve of the night, thank you for watching, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I am